Hello guys, my name is Lauren. If you don't my name, okay, it's Lauren. And for today's vlog or for today's video, I am with my mom. Just smiling, okay. Ba't nawala? Okay guys, I'm drinking milk tea. Okay, joke. It's water. And why my mom face like that? This is my bag. Wait, let me show you. Okay, this is my bag. It's a Japanese bag, and I am collector of keychains. And that's how to open it. See, this is my notebooks. Okay, my pencil case and my color, and I have a picture of K-pop and separate my wallet, and I have a bracelet. And look at that. There's a lot of cards here. I got 43 cards. The leftovers is in here. Okay. And okay. I'm gonna lock this now. Guys, I'm already outside. I am running, and look, there's a bear contest. There's a bear contest. There is a really big one, and there's a rabbit now. There, look, rabbit. Okay. This is a mall. That's my grandma. That one. Burgers. Okay. This is one big art. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look. From Mickey. The feelings up there. Oh my god. So big. Is this? I'm walking. Okay. Wow. One big art again. Okay, bye.